Welcome back, everybody. First things first, I want to say a big, huge thank you to all my subscribers right now. We got 43 subscribers as of recording of this video right now, and I really appreciate all of you sticking with me through from the beginning to get to where we are now. Thank you so much. I can't express it enough. I wish I was able to take time and do a giveaway or something for you guys. Unfortunately, COVID-19 has put a big struggle on everything right now, so we're gonna keep trucking along. When we get there, I'm definitely doing that for you guys. Thank you much. As everyone can see, I'm out here about my Platinum Series F-150, where we're going to be going platinum with it. So something's been bothering me ever since I bought this truck. And I don't want to blame CarMax. I kind of do, but I kind of don't, because they kind of warned me about it when I first went to place the order. They told me the tires were a little bit worn. I'm like, okay, I get it. But they said it's something about half-life, which is about true, a little less than half, but okay, I can get there. But it's just been bugging me since day one that I got this truck. I noticed the second I walked up, when you get in close to the tire here, let's see, let me adjust it for you guys a little bit. All right, you can see right here, it looks just a little bit smoother in the tire. It might be a little hard to tell on camera, and it's actually that way on the inside edge as well. And the problem with this is an indication of low tire pressure. It could have been they drove it with too much weight in the vehicle, they put a trailer on it, just didn't check the air pressure. And when I got the vehicle, the tire pressure light wasn't on, but that's an easy fix. Air up the tire, boom, tire light goes off, but the damage is already done. I didn't worry about it too much because, well, I'm a tire guy. I understand how tires work and how they wear. So I know how to fix this to a point. So we're going to be talking today about a tire hack that a lot of people don't really think about, but something very simple. But first I need to show you guys exactly why it causes that outer edge tire wear. So let's talk tires. So right now this tire is aired up at 35 psi. As you can see right now it sits pretty flat, the sides are up. The sidewalls are up on the edges here. So everything's good. It's going to wear smoother in the center of the tire because it's sitting flat on the ground and the sidewalls are up. That's because this tire is currently aired up the way it's supposed to be. But when you lower the air pressure, alright, so this is currently 10 pounds PSI low. You can start to see the sidewalls are starting to get a little more of a pudge on the outer edge on both sides, allowing it to roll over a little bit, getting more wear on this outer edge. Now, what happens when you overinflate it? The sidewalls get stiffer, but the center of the tread is going to raise up more, allowing it to wear more evenly. And that's the trick. I got a little bit of edge wear, so I need to overinflate these tires a little bit to get them to wear more in the center, so I get more life out of these tires, considering I don't get any mileage warranty with these. So I aired those tires up to 38 psi, only 3 psi more than what the truck calls for. I didn't go anything crazy, 40, 45 or anything like that, just 3 psi. So that way, instead of the tire sitting like this, they're going to bulge out just a little bit in the center. And that allows it to wear more even across the face of the tire. And that's what I'm looking for. I want that even wear. Tire pressure isn't as set. The tire pressure in your door is recommended tire pressure. Just looking at your tire gives you some basic information on what you should need to know in order to determine if I should add a little more air, a little less air. And any tire shop personnel should be able to tell you that information right off the bat and should tell you, hey, you're wearing on the edges a little bit, let's raise up the pressure a little bit. It takes no time at all for the look. It takes just a minute to add extra air. If they're not willing to do that for you or willing to help you with that, find another tire shop to go to, because they're not trying to help you get the most life out of those tires. And a lot of people just go, I got a mileage warranty, it doesn't matter. here's the kicker. You come in with any type of uneven wear on that tire, it doesn't matter how little, they can deny you because that's what the manufacturer says. Uneven wear means you did not try to take care of those tires. You need to at least try to do a little bit, and it doesn't take a long time to do. You don't have to look at your tire every single time you walk out. You drive, get your first oil change. Really, the oil change places should be telling you, hey, you're getting a little uneven wear. Hey, let's bump this tire pressure up. And not all shops were as lenient as I was when I was managing a tire shop. I gave a little bit of leeway. Some shops are very clear cut and dry. A little bit of edge wear, done, it's over. They ain't giving you any credit on the vehicle, on those tires at all. And then now you're going to be aggravated and irritated that you have to spend more money even though you paid for a warranty. So there's some give and take. It's like buying milk from the store and not putting it in the fridge and then going back the next day and going, this is bad milk. Why'd you sell me bad milk when you didn't try to do anything to fix the problem? When you get that little light in the dash, a little horseshoe with an exclamation point in the middle there, that's your tire pressure light. If that light comes on, go to a garage, check your air pressure, don't ignore it. So many people go, oh, that came on just a little bit ago. We can look at your tires and determine exactly if that came on just a week ago or if it's been a lot longer than that. Don't wait. You see the tire pressure light come on, get to a garage, anywhere, check it out real fast, have them add the extra air. Sometimes it's something really simple. You just haven't checked in a while, you need to add extra air, no big deal. But just to make sure to check it. Look at the tire real quick. It's not that hard. If you can't tell, then take it to a tire shop and have them take a quick peek at it and go, hey, let's add a little extra air. Let's maybe subtract a little air because they're wearing in the center. Performance tires are the biggest culprits of this, of getting uneven wear where they wear more in the center versus the outer edge, because they're generally low profile tires. Low profile tires don't have as much give, as much leeway as a big truck tire with a big sidewall. So I hope you guys liked the hack. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to continue supporting my channel. For everybody who already is supporting my channel, thank you very much. I highly appreciate it. Let's keep this going. I'll catch you guys a different day. Later.